Are you looking for a luxurious new home that's really close to Rochester, but you're still craving that serene countryside charm? Well, Montgomery Meadows in Byron, Minnesota offers the perfect blend of countryside views and modern luxury. So whether you're considering building a custom family home or a villa, Montgomery Meadows has a range of options that truly sets it apart. Hi, I'm Kelly DeMille with DeMille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and make sure to watch this until the end. That's where we're going to discuss how you can start your journey at Montgomery Meadows. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things real estate in Minnesota and beyond. So Montgomery Meadows offers a unique location that balances countryside living with super easy access to Rochester. Just minutes from downtown Rochester, Minnesota, Montgomery Meadows gives you a peaceful, spacious environment with quick city access. It's nestled right on the border of Byron and Rochester, and it's the ideal location for anyone working in the Rochester area but desiring a quiet retreat after a long day. Families are going to love Montgomery Meadows, with inclusion in the highly regarded Byron School District. The award-winning Byron schools are known for their commitment to their academic excellence, offering quality education close to home. Living in this community means providing your children with a solid educational foundation while enjoying a family-friendly neighborhood atmosphere. Each lot in Montgomery Meadows is designed to highlight the beauty of Byron's rolling hills and its countryside. So imagine building a home with unobstructed views, nestled in the peaceful scenery that only Byron countryside can offer. Well, these large buildable single-family lots are at least a half of an acre up to over an acre in size, and it's open to all builders, giving you the flexibility to bring your own design or collaborate with a trusted builder to make your vision a reality. And for those interested in a maintenance-free villa-style home, Cravath Homes offers beautifully crafted, high-quality villas in Montgomery Meadows. These villas cater to homeowners looking for a low-maintenance yet very luxurious lifestyle. They're custom-built single-family homes on smaller lots, and we take care of the snow removal and your lawn mowing. Plus, Cravath Homes is known for their attention to detail, blending modern amenities with classic touches, making each villa a masterpiece in both comfort and style. One of the standout features of Montgomery Meadows is the seamless integration of the Rochester City water and community septic systems. This ensures residents benefit from reliable, modern utilities without the hassle often associated with rural properties. And it's really the best of both worlds, countryside living with urban conveniences right at your doorstep. Montgomery Meadows provides the flexibility to design the home of your dreams, whether it's starting fresh with your own plans or tweaking an existing layout. This community welcomes diverse styles and designs, so you're not limited by a single architectural vision. You have the creative freedom to tailor your home to fit your family's needs and your personal taste. Montgomery Meadows offers something for every family looking to settle down in a new construction home. So here's how you can start your journey at Montgomery Meadows in Byron, Minnesota. If you're new to building, we've got you covered. We can help you through tailoring plans to fit your specific needs and offer direction on financing the home of your dreams. And if you already have home plans, we can use those and make your vision come to life. Either way, we've got your back. You just need to pick the lot that's right for you and let us go to work. Either comment below or call us at the number on your screen, and we'll get all your questions answered and help you choose your lot. And if you'd like to know more about Montgomery Meadows in Byron, Minnesota, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video in particular, make sure that you hit the like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see our other videos too. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below and we'll make sure to answer all of them. I'm Kelly DeMille with DeMille Real Estate, and we love where we live and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.